the hormone. They are not thinking beyond that. And because of that, people suffering from the thyroid disturbances, same as with the hypertension and diabetes also. They are thinking of replacement of that deficiency, but they are not thinking why it has been originated. Previously, they used to think of thyroid, which is controlled by pituitary only. And they used to replace the thyroid hormones. Still they are doing that. But recently it has been found that pituitary is not the organ which is controlling the thyroid. It is the hypothalamus which is controlling the thyroid through the pituitary. And you will find that hypothalamus is getting affected with the emotions, with the stress and strain on the mind. And here, no, I will finishing it within 1 minute. So, same is applicable with many diseases, and you will find that the homeopathic art of case taking is having important role to face this criticism. And this art, I hope that in the coming sessions, you will be getting more and more knowledge from your learned speakers, and you will be getting more perfection in this art. I thank the organizer for giving me few minutes to speak before you. Thank you, and I wish that the scientific sessions will be having more to learn you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Shashi Mohan Sharma to kindly felicitate our guests with memento and e-souvenir. Firstly, I request Dr. Shashi Mohan Sharma to felicitate ma'am with memento to Dr. Anil Kumari Malhotra ma'am. We would also present a copy of e-souvenir. I request Dr. Ramji Singh and Dr. Arun Bhasme, sir, we would like to present a memento to the team of CCH, and Dr. Ramji Singh and Dr. Arun Bhasme sir would be accepting on the behalf of CCH and the team. I request Dr. Praveen Oberoi to come on the dais and accept a memento for the entire CCRH. Is she present there in the hall? I think she's left. Tea? We all now disperse for a cup of tea. Okay, Dr. Bhaskar Bhatt, please come on the dais and accept an award of appreciation and e-souvenir. Thank you, sir. Okay. I request Dr. Ramakant Dagade to please come on dais and accept award of appreciation and a copy of e-souvenir. Yes, we cannot forget Dr. S.K. Mehta, sir, please. we would like you to accept an appreciation award and an e-souvenir, a copy of e-souvenir. Thank you, sir. I request all the delegates, participants to be in the hall after 30 minutes. 15 minutes, I'm so sorry. You're falling short of time and I want all of them to be here in 15 minutes. Thank you.
I don't know what you all are doing, but ideally if somebody comes directly to me, I never advise anti-diabetic drug because it's a lifestyle disease, as you all know. If somebody has taken diabetic drug for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, like insulin and oral hypoglycemic agent together, then the first thing that I remove from the body is the insulin. To start a treatment of a diabetic person, giving homeopathy and modern medicine together. In the beginning of your practice, first few years of
It's a new miasm, but we all have to be careful. Most of the patient, they used to come out with a printout. Sir, do you know this? I have got this problem. So that Google knows better than all the doctors and all the medicals. And it is not a problem with the doctor even at times. So keep it aside, listen what he says, try to understand him as a person, as a human being, as an individual, and then go to the mathematics and the entire literature. The most important part of the story is repetition in certain high pathology. Blood sugar with 600 level post PP, he tried to say that the repetition is must. Don't give one dose and wait. This repetition is needed because vital force is so low that it won't respond immediately. And this is what one of the clue that he gave. He didn't explain exactly the method, how he repeats, but I hope YouTube will be enough. But the idea was repetition is important and you must learn that part. Lycopodium he taught well. Whatever he said is really more than what you can understand from Lycopodium textbook. And I think we should be thankful to him for explaining Lycopodium, for giving a wonderful case of diabetes. You can say recovered or cured to a great extent within 6 months. I mean, the sugar level or all other biochemistry came down to normalcy is something wonderful. Thank you very much, Dr. Farooq Master. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Bhaskar Bhatt to felicitate Dr. Farooq J. Master with a memento, thanking him for such a wonderful session, thanking him for enlightening all of us sitting here on Lycopodium wonderfully. Thank you so much. So
it's a pleasure.
Thank you, Dr. Master. I just want to tell you something. It was 2008 in the House of Lords. I was fortunate enough to invite Dr. Master, and I gave him Master of Homeopathy certificate and award.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you so much.
And we are always very really obliged to Dr. Master, because whenever we have contacted him, whenever we have requested him, he said, yes, I am coming. And at least in Kent Memorial Lectures we have had the experience, he himself said, next year I am alive, I would love to come too. Said, we are wishing you many, many years. Dr. Master, we are wishing you many, many years so that you are always with us. Thank you.
We all will disperse for lunch now, but before we disperse, it's a humble request to all of you that please be present in the auditorium by 2:30, because we will be starting off with our next session, the third session, post-lunch session, with Dr. Manoj Patel from Maharashtra. He would be taking a lecture on role of history of sexual assault in genesis of serious psychiatric illness in women under the theme of effects of increasing disharmony. We're looking forward to see you in the next session. Have a great time at lunch. Thank you.